Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to blur background in Canva. Now in order to do it, click on create a design right over here. Now from here, select upload and upload the desired file in which you want to blur the background. For example, I'm selecting this one. Now click on use in a new design right over here. Now click on the photo and click on edit. From here, click on magic graph or select the object in photo which you don't want to blur. I'm selecting this girl and click on grab. Now click on the photo and on in effects select blur, select whole image and increase the intensity. Now as we can see, the background is blurred. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.